How you guys doing? We actually had to pull a sack that I didn't want to, but this female, she lays the bowl. You're supposed to roll it up both sides, make a sack. She pulls it over and sits there.
She did it last time too, and it was bad, so we'll go ahead and pull it and put it in Mechanical Mom and see if we can
save it.
Yeah. Doesn't seem to know what she's doing.
Flashlight.
Got the flashlight. Alright. She's, I'll show her real quick.
Yeah, she just lays on top of it. That's all she does. She doesn't roll it.
She didn't, yeah. She just...
So more than likely these aren't good now, but...
Worth a try.
She's very skittish, Tarantula. Come here, buddy. Honey, you don't know what you're doing with that. No, look, look.
You can see it's still just flat webbed to the bottom.
Yeah, she didn't even try.
She didn't pull it up at all.
We gotta get that out. If that's even savable.
I'll get out of your way. Can't see much on this one, guys. Sorry.
Yeah.
There you go.
You know what?
Got it?
This is savable. Well, here's what she did. She did roll it up a little. Basically, she laid it flat.
Back here. Okay.
She kind of did roll it a little bit. Not like she's supposed to, but...
She didn't detach it from the bottom at all.
No. She wouldn't have rolled it around. That's the problem. She did this last time. She laid on top of it.
And then, of course, it wasn't good.
Yeah, no. She grabbed it like it was and then detached it and laid there for 30 days. And we pulled it and it was just dead because it never got rolled around.
No, yeah.
So this is only, there's still free roaming in here.
Good.
And it's still sealed, so.
Alright.
It's going to be a dark video. Sorry. Here, bring that.
Move the light a little bit here.
Oh, it's going to have its own light here in a minute.
There you go.
It's going to have its own light.
Okay, well. Jeez.
That's getting unplugged. Sorry.
That's fine. I'm not using it. There we go.
Okay, come on. We got this on the shelf right now.
Yeah.
Wipe this off.
Oh yeah, we'll do that after. Sit down here.
Feel it? It's actually okay. The double clutch is small, but it's better than nothing. What's wrong? The top's real dirty.
No, it's not what I was
I'm
sorry. No. No, I was just going to say something.
I really should have this. Go ahead and say it. Say it. Please. Come on. What were you going to say?
Some comment about you making me feel your sack.
Oh, let's not do that.
Too late. See? Told you. There we go.
Just put it in there and see what happens.
Get that one out. He's having some problems with it.
I always had to do with this thing. It's a good machine though.
That's it?
And that's it. That's what's cool about the Mechanical Mom. It'll roll it for her. Yeah, she just lays on top of it. She doesn't understand she's supposed to roll it.
No, she seems to not understand.
That's like someone having a baby and just laying it in the crib and never going over to it, just laying on it. I mean, that's what she does.
She's supposed to do something with that?
She's actually funny. I like her. Yeah, she had no idea. Just, okay, what's this? Well, I think I'll roll it up a little bit and lay on it. It feels good. It's a pillow.
I know. Ooh, nice pillow.
It's an expensive pillow.
Yes.
But hopefully we'll see what happens. This is better than rolling it yourself, I guess. But other than that, guys, yeah, right on. And is there something else I was supposed to say?
I don't think so. I wasn't listening.
Which you never are. I had an energy drink, so you need to lay off.
I know. He has no idea where he's coming or going. He has no idea what's going on.
No, yeah, I do. But it's just... All right, right on, guys.
Okay.
Have a good one.